Thank you for viewing this walkthrough of the Securonix Content Management System. The Content Management System allows you to acquire the latest policies, parsers, threat models, and other types of content offered by the Securonix content team. You can then deploy that content in your environment. In order for a user to access the Content Management System, the Content Administrator role must be enabled in User Details. To open the Content Management screen, click Menu, Administration, Content Management. Securonix regularly introduces content updates. Click Check for Updates to check for new content updates from Securonix. If updates are available, a Download Updates button appears, which allows you to download the updates for your instance. This is the content version. The version number includes information about the current version. CP refers to Content Pack. 64 refers to the Securonix product version. 23 refers to the year, 02 to the month, 03 refers to the day of the month, and the following number, in this case 12, refers to the update count on that particular day. The Content Pack was a 12th update on February 3rd. Click the version number to view release notes that describe what changed in each version. The content categories are located here. The main content window currently displays the available policies. The policy categories include existing content for which there are updates, new content that currently does not exist, existing content available for a forced reset, and existing deprecated content. We currently see a list of new content for existing functionality. In order for policies to appear in the list, there must be an existing data source present for the instance. For example, if a Palo Alto Next Generation Firewall data source is present in the instance, new or updated policies for Palo Alto Next Generation Firewall will appear in the list. For new policies, you can click this Available Version link to show changes made to the policy. Select the policies you would like to deploy and click Deploy Selected Policies to deploy them on your instance. Or click Deploy to deploy an individual policy. The Deploy Policy pop-up allows you to confirm the deployment. Toggle the switch to Yes to deploy the policy to the sandbox, or No to deploy the policy to the production category. Use this drop-down menu to filter policies by functionality. Only policies of the selected functionality will appear in the list. Click the Update Policy tab to show policies with available updates in the instance. Each policy row lists the current version as well as the available version. Click Available Version to show the changes to the policy. Again, this list can be filtered to isolate particular policy types by functionality. The policies under the Deprecated Content tab were offered previously, but are now deprecated or no longer included in the content update. If you'd like to keep the policy, you can duplicate it for continued use. You can select a policy and click Deprecate Now to deprecate the policy immediately. After 14 days, the platform will automatically deprecate the policies in the list from the instance. The Manage Content tab allows you to track all policies in the instance. For example, if a policy is mistakenly modified, the Force Reset option can be used to restore the policy settings. Or if you are not satisfied with the latest updates, you can use the Restore drop-down menu to choose a previous version of the policy to reset to. Again, the current version is listed here. You can choose Restore to reset the policy setting to the current version. You can use Restore to Last Change to revert a policy to the previous version. Or choose Restore History Change to open the Restore Policy to Previous Version pop-up, where you can select from a list of previous versions available in the list. Select a previous version and click Reset to revert to that policy version. Your selection will be reflected in the version number indicated under the current version column. When you deploy a policy, associated artifacts such as lookup and active lists are also deployed. If there is a new or updated lookup content that you would like to deploy independently, you can select that category and deploy it using the same process. The Update Content and New Content tabs apply here the same as they do for policies. Threat models also include Update Content and New Content tabs. New threat models are available under the New Content tab. If there are updates to existing threat models, they will be available under the Update Content tab. Threat models can be deployed the same way policies are deployed. Similar to policies, the current and available version numbers are indicated here. Thank you for viewing this video on the Securonix Content Management System.